Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mark, and it is Monday afternoon, and I have a package to open up that I actually have no clue what this is. I'm really baffled on this one. So the only way to figure that out is to, of course, open it, right? No clue. It's like some sort of paddle or something. What the heck is this? I just figured out what it is. This, my friends, is a new shower head. Very interesting. I did not expect that. At some point in time when I was looking for shower heads, I must have saw this one and decided to order one. And that's kind of cool. We'll see how that works. Okay. There you go. As always, you guys have a great day unless, of course, you've made other plans. Till the next time, peace out.